Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another talk through video. Today this is definitely going to be like an updated makeup routine. This is definitely my go-to makeup routine at the moment. It's very easy to achieve. So as usual, I love to use my Air Woman pencil. This is some cheap, this is very affordable. You can get this at here in Jamaica, any wholesaler or Chinaman shop if you want to call it that. It's very affordable. You can go into beauty supply stores, get it for anywhere between 100 to 200 Jamaican dollars. Very convenient, and I've been using this pencil for years. Do the usual, and since recently I've been just like embracing the brow hair look more. Start from the tail end, which I've explained this in my brow tutorials before. My brow tutorial is always linked in the description box, so you guys can check it out. I go more in detail on that in that video. I pretty much just move on to priming. Priming has become so important to me, guys, because my smile lines, they are pretty deep. After a while of wearing my makeup, it usually creases, and the only way around it I see so far is using a good primer. I kind of just allow the primer to settle within the lines, and I put it wherever else on my face, but it's really important to me because it acts as a barrier in a sense and prevents creasing a little bit more. I mean, it will crease, but it's not as noticeable as when I do not apply a primer. So you guys know that I have quite a few primers that I have as my favorites. I keep on going back and forth, and I've definitely went back to one of my favorites, and it's the Revlon Photoready Brightening Primer. This is it. I've been using this for years, and I always stock this in my professional kit. I believe this is the milk of magnesia in actual makeup, because I don't use milk of magnesia, but when I use this, it acts as if it's milk of magnesia. It looks like it, and it helps the makeup to stay on for a very long time. So I suggest you go ahead and try this out. Like, give the milk of magnesia a pause if that's what you're using as primer. Try this out. Let me know how it works for you. Let's put a bit there. I usually just dab, and then I pretty much just press that in to the areas that I want to prime. I know it looks weird, and I know you're probably wondering, does it makes the makeup look white or anything? No. Once you start putting makeup over it, it cancels out all of the cast that you're seeing. Nothing hasn't changed in terms of me doing my regular concealer and powder routine. It's the same thing where that's concerned. I haven't incorporated foundation yet. So yeah, Sister Cosmetics concealer in golden beige for the under eye highlight. I know I look super crazy, guys, but it will all come together. Just highlight all of my high points, the parts in my face that I want to bring forward. My Sacha powder is what I use to set all the areas I highlight. Absolutely no creases. Now it's time to balance out the rest of my face and not look crazy. I know you guys probably saying, too light, but it's going to come together. So I go in with my usual, my Milani pressed powder in warm 109. I just take the same powder to low light on the sides of my nose, because the nose area is already highlighted, so most naturally if you put your shade, it will pop. So you don't necessarily have to go in with a dark like a contour shade. You really just have to use your color and you'll be fine. So that's what I do to snatch my nose. After doing that, I pretty much just go into the eyes. Now I literally just go back in with the same powder, get a fluffy brush, and do windshield wiper motions in my crease to kind of just You know, don't make it look like super bare. Give it a little bit of definition, a little bit of depth, and just blend that out. And do the same thing to the next eye. That's literally all I do to the eyes. Now I want to move on to lashes. So this is a part that I've really been focusing on with this go-to glam. Like, if it is that I'm going out and I want to do this glam, then I go for a very lashed up look. So I get really nice lashes. And since recently, I've been loving Annabelisa's Lash Glam lashes. They are really nice. And with this routine, I don't usually like bake. It depends on how I'm feeling. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply these lashes. Now I do also have a very detailed lash tutorial, so you guys should check that out. It is linked below. This is the lash. This is the style of the lash. This style is very wispy. So after I'm done with lashes, I usually go in and just spray my face. I just go in and spray my face to make everything more skin-like, you know. So I really love this step, like really love it. So today I'm gonna be using Artist Couture Conceited. Now I remember one time I was hooked on this one. If you guys notice, I did not use any liner, and that's how I've been doing it, you know. It's literally just lashed up. So for my mascara, I've been loving this mascara. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I got this from BoxyCharm. Yes, BoxyCharm, guys. BoxyCharm is life. The link is down in my description box. It's a subscription. It's a monthly subscription box where you get high-end makeup, only high-end makeup at a very affordable cost. It's only $21 for a month, per month, and that's US dollars. And you get full-size products in the box, guys. Full size, all right? You get at least 4 high-end products. So I feel like that's pretty decent. I really love this lash, guys, because it's long and it's wispy. Not everybody likes long lashes, so go ahead and apply whatever floats your boat. The only thing left for me to do is apply my lippy. And for lippy today, I'm going to be doing clear gloss. That is what I've been doing. As I said, this is my go-to makeup routine. Updated. For my lip gloss, I've been using the Black Radiance lip gloss. It's rubbed, the labeling rubbed off, but this is from Black Radiance. It's just a regular clear gloss, guys. So literally, you can go ahead and use any clear gloss. I take a wet wipe and I wipe away any product that's on my lip. And that's literally all I do, and then I apply the gloss. I'm basically finished with my makeup. This is what I've been doing since lately. I've been loving it. It's very easy, it's very quick. Guys, if you're very new to makeup, trust me, just take some practice, because I know some people might be like, oh, easy, you use so much products. Like, it's just a little bit of patience, you know, some time, and you get there. Don't worry, this is a very nice natural, fresh face go-to look, and I really love it. It's my favorite at the moment. It's everything. It goes with any and every color, hair, outfit, shoes, anything. I hope it was helpful to you guys. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I really do appreciate the support. Don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel as well, PETITE-SUE TV. I do upload vlogs over there very frequently. I've been uploading very frequently over there since recently, and you guys can go ahead and check it out. I see a couple of you saying that you want me to do vlogs, and I guess that's for that would be like my new subscribers. So just let you guys know that I do have a vlog channel, so it's linked below. You know, it's almost New Year's. I'm not sure when you guys are seeing this video. It might be New Year's, I'm not sure, but I just want to wish everybody a happy new year when it comes. I hope you guys had a beautiful Christmas. Also guys, don't forget to go ahead and check out my description box for the details on the event that Divine and I are having this Saturday. Yes, Saturday coming up here in Kingston, Jamaica. So if you're in Jamaica, we're having an event. It's at St. Lucia Car Park in New Kingston, Jamaica. Rep your swag. It's a party. We want to bring in the new year with style and swag and a lot of vibes. Come and chill with us. You get to meet me. I'll be there. So we can't just all our vibes. That's pretty much it. I'll put all the information on that down below in the description box. It's very affordable, very affordable, so check that out. And I'm going to attach the flyer at the end of this video, so go ahead and check that out for the details as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.
Is it right? 100%, you know?
What you mean, man? The scene if I'm a step on. Now tackle the road without my weapon.